Hello, I'm Cameron with the NASE. As a small business owner myself, I found that sometimes having a solid product offering isn't enough. Sometimes you have to be a little creative to get the attention of potential customers. A great marketing strategy is always a good thing. However, if the product isn't anything special, you may not get the sales you anticipated. These days, it is quite easy to find the same product from multiple vendors online. If you sell the same widget that many others are selling, you would probably get more sales if you make the offering a little different than that of your competitor. Here are a few simple, easy to implement ways that you can sell the same widget your competitors are selling in a more attractive way. One suggestion is to bundle your widget with another product. Perhaps find a complementary product or freebie that potential customers might not find elsewhere. This often gives the customer the feeling that they are getting more value for their money. You may want to consider offering a money-back guarantee. This will instill confidence within the customer. If you're willing to do this when others are not, you may be more likely to get the sale. Another idea is to offer free shipping. These days, many people expect this. The cost of basic shipping is usually rolled into the price of the product. It's really a trick of sorts, but it works. If the customer wants to expedite the shipping, they should be allowed to pay the additional shipping cost at checkout. I hope you like the ideas we spoke of. If you want more tips and tricks to help you with your small business needs, subscribe to this channel and visit nase.org.